In this video, I want to share with you 4 low competition 2024 niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Okay, now before I get into those 4 low competition 2024 niches, I just want to go ahead and do a quick sales update. So we're right in the smack of Q4. And things are going really well. I've actually had, I think, $600 days in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And right now, the time of this recording, it's 4:58 p.m. So it's actually pretty early, and I'm already at $94 for the day. So I have a feeling this actually might be the best day of the month for me. Right now, it was Thursday, the 7th, where I did $154.82 sales. So that's going to put me at $1,100 for the month, and we are the 11th of December. So I have a feeling I'm going to do somewhere in between like $2,000 and $2,500. Comment below how much you think I'll do at the end of the month. Now, this is not all profit. I am running ads. I'm spending about, I'd say an average about maybe like $30 a day if I were to just guess. But nevertheless, I'm still very satisfied with these results. This is probably going to be the best month that I've ever had on merch by Amazon. Previously, my record was when I first started on merch about 6 years ago. In December, I did $1,600. So I'm pretty sure that I will beat that. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales, the link is in the description. So here are my daily sales from pretty much. I also post my sales from Etsy, gym pics, and also just from my life down here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. So the link is in the description if you want to follow me. But now let's go ahead and get into the first niche that I have for you. And if you've been following me on this channel for a while now, you know that I've been really into these niches, where if you just cross the niche with the upcoming year, you know, you can get some really good sales. And that's what this video is going to be about. So the first niche that I have for you is this one right here that says new homeowner 2024. So this is for people that are going to be becoming new homeowners, next year. For this keyword, there's only 203 results. You can also have homeowner as one word as well, but I don't think it really matters that much. But 203 results for this keyword. If we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 203 results for this keyword. And if we take a look at some of the designs, now, the majority of them are not selling or don't have BSRs yet. Let me actually just refresh it so those can pop up. But if you just go to Amazon, another Amazon page, and you type in new homeowner 2023, we are going to see from the previous data that, these designs or this niche is selling. And so if it was selling well for 2023, it's probably going to sell for 2024. Let me just go check to see if the BSRs have uploaded. But it looks like they haven't. But nevertheless, I can just show you some of the designs or phrases that you can use. So one of the popular ones was "we said yes to the address." So you can do something kind of like this right here. I think this is popular because it kind of rhymes. Usually when you have these phrases that rhymes, people seem to like that. So you can do something like this, and then you can just put estimated 2024 or kind of something like this right here, proud new homeowner. What else do we have here? Actually, let me show you. I think I saw some better ones actually on this. Yeah. For 2023. So right here you're going to see I said yes to the address, or we said yes to the address, official homeowner. So again, you can do something like this, but instead of 2023, you can do 2024. I thought this was cool because they're also taking Jesus or religion. So they're taking 3 niches, homeowner, 2023, and Jesus, putting it all into one. It doesn't have to be just for couples. You can do Mr. Homeowner. I think there's also one that I saw that says this girl just bought her, right here. So this girl just bought her first house. So you can do something like this. And right here, you just put established 2024. This is also another good one where you have 3 niches into one. So you have African American, then you have a new homeowner, and then you have established 2023. So you can do something like this. But again, instead of 2023, you do 2024. Let's see if I can find any other good ones. I thought this was also a really good one too, because it's just very simplistic. So something like this with a roof, heart, homeowner, and then again, instead of 2023, you would do 2024. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, I didn't see anything pop up. Someone commented the other day if I can do like a video on this new update to test that they made. Now, honestly, I'm still kind of learning. The way that I have it set up is I like to just type in the keyword, and I like to have it just for live registered. I don't want the pending or the dead. And I like to have it to this setting right here, this box, just so I get the nice lines, because I don't like it when it has the showing like the logo or whatever. Then I will come down here. Oh, whoops, yeah, so I don't like it like that. I like it like this. and then I will come down here, and I like to have it as 100 per page. And then one thing that you can do to kind of make it a little easier, if you're on a Mac, you can just do, let me click out of it, you can just click on Command, I think F. This little box will pop up, and then you can just type in the keyword. And if there is something that is trademarked, then it will highlight. So if I were just to go like, maybe like builder, you will see here, builder, and you see it's going to pop up. So it's just a little way to kind of let you know if something is trademarked, but I'm not seeing anything for this keyword. If we go to Etsy and the other print-on-demand websites to check out the competition, new homeowner 2024 shirt, very low competition. The majority of the designs that I saw were selling were mugs, so that could be an option. Mugs sell really well on Etsy. I've been doing well. Pretty much the majority of all my Etsy sales have been mugs for the most part. But I did see some t-shirts, and they were down here. So like this girl just bought her first house, and then again you just put the year. New house, who dis, officially broke, that's kind of funny. Homeowner, official homeowner again, so this looks like the same one that we just saw on merch. Again, you just switch out the year. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see the competition is low, only 344 results. And then if we go to TeePublic, we can see what some of the designs look like. I thought this one was pretty cool because they have a dog and new homeowner. So you can do my dog and I are new homeowners, established 2024. Again, we're going to see this popular phrase, we said yes to the address, catchy and rhymes. And then if you go to Creative Fabrica, you can actually get a lot of designs, clip art for your designs for merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand products or platforms. So I just typed in new homeowner, and so a bunch right here. You can just take these and you can just put the year underneath. You just want to make sure that it comes with the print-on-demand license. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link. It's in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But that is the first niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here, new homeowner, and then you just put the upcoming year, estimated, or you don't have to use estimated or established, 2024. And then the second 2024 low competition niche that I have for you is another really good one, and it is U.S. Citizen 2024. So this is going to be for people that are becoming U.S. citizens. They immigrated to the United States maybe a few years ago or whatever, and they have now become U.S. citizens, and they want to celebrate that. Or, maybe it's going to be like a gift. So someone's wife or husband, has now become a U.S. citizen. They want to get them a present or something like that. So that's the reasoning behind the niche right there. So it's U.S. Citizen 2024. There's only 203 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 203 results. Now for 2024, not too many of them really have any BSRs because it's probably still just a little too new. But if we go to a new Amazon page and we type in U.S. Citizen 2023, we can use previous data. And just like the other niche I just showed you, the homeowner niche, if it was selling for 2023, it's probably going to sell for 2024. And we can see the majority of these designs right here, or these listings, all have BSRs. And this is super easy to design for. All you got to do is really just get like an American flag, any style. Just put like U.S. Citizen on the top and then established 2024 on the bottom. And you get some other ideas, like maybe some sunglasses, some bald eagles. You can do the flag, but like the United States flag, like the shape of the country. You can also have like a clipping mask when you do USA. But we see all these are selling. So again, like if they're selling for 2023, they're probably going to sell for 2024. Another option is with the messy bun. You can just go to Creative Fabrica, type in like USA flag, and you can get some ideas here. Let's get that out the way. TeePublic. But if we go to test to see if this is trademark, U.S. Citizen 2024, I'm not seeing anything pop up. And since it was selling since there's a whole bunch of designs for 2023, I think it should be fine. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see that there's only 702 results. This is what I'm talking about, doing something like this right here. Or if you're on Etsy, this could be a really good option because you can use personalization. I think that's pretty cool. That's going to help you get sales. You can do it for t-shirts as well. But mugs, like I said, have been doing really well for me. This is another idea. Look at me becoming an American citizen and SHIT. That's kind of funny. If we go to Rebel, we're going to see there's actually a little more competition than I expected for this niche. Oh, I got a sale. Maybe that put me over the 100. Okay, so 794 results for this niche on Redbubble. Again, you get some ideas. And let's get this out of here. And then if we go to TeePublic, let me turn the volume up so we can hear when the sales come in. And if we go to TeePublic, we can see what some of the designs look like right here. oh, this is a good idea, my husband, just because, so you can cross niche this, so it doesn't have to be just U.S. citizen, established 2024. You can do my husband just became a U.S. citizen, or wife, or sister, brother. That's a pretty cool idea. And then you would just put the year 2024 underneath, basically. So that's going to be the second niche. I think it's a good one. It's U.S. citizen, cross niche with 2024. And then the third niche that I have for you guys, also another good one, is baptized 2024. So there's going to be people, children, that are going to be getting baptized in the upcoming year. And again, they want to be getting t-shirts to celebrate that. For this keyword right here, baptized 2024, there's only 73 results. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you. Now, there's not really any BSRs for these specific designs, like right here. But if we just go to a new Amazon page and we typed in, and when we type in baptized 2023, we're going to see a lot of these, like this one right here, baptized 2023 is selling. It's got a pretty good BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. This one too, 701 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. So you can do something like this, but you just switch out the year for 2024. And like I keep saying, if it was selling good for 2023, it's probably going to sell pretty good for 2024. One thing also that I noticed is that like all of these look kind of like the same designer. I'm just guessing, I could be wrong. But like when you find a niche like this, it's to just basically saturate the niche and do like, 10, 15 designs. It's just going to help you with like competition. But if we go to test to see if this is trademarked, I'm not seeing anything. Again, make sure to do your research because, this new UPSO thing that they did, you just have to, I'm still kind of learning it, but as I don't see anything pop up. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see that the competition is low, 494 results, straight out of water. That's kind of funny. But I'm not really seeing anything that says baptized 2024. So it could be an opportunity for us here. So like something like this, but again, just switch out the year. So it could be a good opportunity for us. That's kind of cool too, Born. And then if we go to Redbubble, let's take a look at the competition. So just for the word baptized, there's only 357 results. If I were to do like baptized 2024 or baptized in Christ, it would probably go even lower. But you could do something maybe like this right here. Again, to switch out the year. And if we take a look at the competition on TeePublic, not really seeing too much either. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so here's one that's already in 2024. But I think you get the idea. So that is the third niche that I have for you, and it is baptized. You can do baptized in Christ, but it's just basically baptized cross niche with 2024. And then the last low competition 2024 niche that I have for you, I don't know if it's the best one, that's why I kind of saved it for the end, but I still think it's good and could help get you some sales, and it is new kidney 2024. So this is for people that are going to be getting new kidneys or kidney transplant survivors, basically. There's only 42 results for this keyword. There's in a third page, so I can't show you, but we can see it's low in competition. Now, none have sold yet because it's probably still kind of early. But again, like I've been doing this whole video, if we just go to a new Amazon page, type in new kidney 2023, we're going to see that a lot of these designs for new kidney owner established 2023 are selling. So like this one has a pretty good BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. We can see the other ones also are getting sales as well. Like this one right here. Actually, no, that's not the type that I'm talking about, but like this one right here. Like, look how simple that is. That's pretty easy to design for, and it's got a really good BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, new kidney. Actually, I probably should have done new kidney owner. That's probably better. But still, I don't think anything pops up. I liked it a lot better before because it would just say no results found, but here it's showing all these results that aren't even really relevant. So maybe I need to learn better how to filter this stuff out. But I think this niche is okay, or this phrase is okay. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see there's only 558 results. Redbubble coming in with only 59 results. And TeePublic, we are seeing, well, we can't see the results, but we can just see what the designs look like. And honestly, I think you come up with a better design than this right here. But this is the idea. Do something like this. Instead of 2023, just do 2024. Alright, so that is going to be the video for today. Comment below what you think about these niches. Which one is your favorite? Which one are you going to upload to? Me personally, I'm going to be uploading into all of them. Actually, I already have, to be honest, for the most part. But yeah, I figured I'd share with you those niches. A lot of times people have been asking me about like why I share with you these niches. If they're so good, why don't I just keep them to myself? But I figure, I try to have like an abundance mind state, so the more I can give to you guys, it's probably just going to be good karma coming back to me. And remember, the Merch by Amazon pie is big. There's enough for all of us to eat. Just if I give you my niches, it doesn't mean that, you're going to take away from my plate. No, there's enough for you to make, thousands of dollars a month on Merch by Amazon. There's enough for me to make thousands of dollars a month on Merch by Amazon. So try and keep that abundance mindset. If you want to follow me on YouTube, make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell. I put out videos on a regular basis. Sorry I haven't been uploading. My neighbor has been just like making a whole bunch of noise doing construction, and I just cannot make these videos while there's like banging on the wall. It's just going to drive me crazy. So that's why I haven't been uploading as much, but hopefully they're done, and I can get back to doing my 4 to 5 videos a week. I make content about Merch by Amazon and Etsy, and I'm also thinking about doing like KDP and audiobooks. That I just had 2 months in a row where I'm doing over $700 a month with audiobooks. So I think you guys might like learning about that too. Audiobooks are awesome because everything's the way I do is everything is outsourced. The only thing I do is I make the cover, which is pretty easy once you kind of figure it out. But yeah, everything is outsourced, and then it's just passive income. Every month I get these direct deposits right into my account. So comment below if you're interested on me making content about KDP, especially for fiction, not like making those journals. I like to books where people actually 10,000 words where I hire basically freelancers, and they will write me a short romance story or like a short horror story. I'm in fiction. I like to do fiction. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I can teach you guys. But that's going to be it. Hope you guys are having a great Q4. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. A lot of people will direct message me. So if you have like a question or something about Merch by Amazon or Etsy, send me a message. I usually respond within 24 hours. And make sure to comment because I get notified right away when you guys comment. And I usually respond almost right away. So that's going to be it for today's video. I also have a link in the description. It's a Merch by Amazon course. It's only like 19 bucks. I sell it on Udemy. I will teach you how I get sales like this. It's good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, check it out. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you just get your money back. But people seem to be really liking it and giving it good reviews. So if you're interested, take a look. But that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys are having a great Q4, great holidays, great Christmas. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.